Hi friends, for Assamese version of this video, please click the I button. Okay friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the importance of risk to reward over any strategy. So for that, I want to take you to my equity segment. Actually, I do most of my intraday trading in future and options. I'm a part-time trader and I do the swing trading in my equity segment, and in equity segment I have less trades, so it will be easier for us to understand about risk to reward. So I want to take you to my equity segment. Okay, there is a mismatch in date. Let me correct it. 26th of December. Okay, so as you can see, there are 5 trades, so you have to ignore this Hero MotoCorp because as you can see, this trade was an intraday trades. I took it on 21 and exited 21 itself, so it is an intraday. So you can concentrate on these 4 trades. So you can see in those 4 trades only 2 were successful. That means my winning rate was only 50% in the month of December. But the most important thing is that the risk to reward. You can see in my 2 trades that I was successful, I gained 10% and almost 12%. So therefore 23%, about 23% was my profit in 2 trades. And how much did I lose? I lost only 4% and 4%. That means in 2 trades I lost only 8%. So net profit was around 13%. So you can see, even if my winning rate was only 50%, I managed to get around 13% profit in the month of December in equity segment. So this is the beauty of risk to reward. But most of us, what most of us do, we run after good strategy. We run after strategies that has 80%, 90% or even 100% winning rate. And we don't focus on risk to reward. If we focus on good risk to reward, then even 50% winning rate strategy can make us profitable. And if you ask me how to get good risk to reward in your trading, for that you have to buy near support. So let me take you to the 2 trades that I took. One is Asian Paint, one is Havells. So you can see in Asian Paint I took the trades near support area. So I will show you how. So this was the area of support in Asian Paint, and I bought the trade. I entered the trade somewhere here near the support area, and I could manage to grab this swing. The main idea behind swing trading is you have to capture the swing. So I was able to capture this swing, and my stop loss was near this support area. So as you can see, against this stop loss I could manage more than 2%, more than 2 times profit. Again in Havells as well, I had my support area. This was my support area, and I still remember I entered this trade exactly in this candle. So my stop loss were this much, and I was able to capture this swing. So if you buy the trending stock, this was a trending stock. You can see this was a bit trendy stock. Asian Paint was also a trending stock. If you go for these stocks and you buy near support, your risk to reward is always very good. And in such situation, even if your winning rate is not that good, even 50% winning rate can make you very good profitable trader. So if you like the video, please comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.